Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an album cover inspired makeup look. I'm going to be doing the Jhene Aiko's Trip album. I'm not really sure what exact look I'm going for, but I'm just going to kind of wing it and let's see how this turns out. I already did my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to be posting, if not already posted, an updated eyebrow routine. I'm starting off with this pink shade in the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. I'm placing that in the inner part of my crease. Also, before I do my eyeshadow, I do not set the concealer that I put on my eyelids from doing my eyebrows, just to get more pigmentation out of the eyeshadow. The next shade I'm using is this orange one from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to further blend out this pink with this orange shade. I'm going to do a cut crease, so as I'm blending this out, I'm going to kind of flick it to make a wing. I think I want to use a better orange shade because this one's just not cutting it for me. So to make the orange more pigmented, I'm using the shade Morocco from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, just to give it more pigmentation and depth. To cut my crease, I'm using this Maybelline Master Conceal Camouflaging Concealer in the shade Fair. And I'm just going to use this flat brush to cut the crease. Now that that is done, I'm going to take this green shade from the Juvia's Place Magic palette and set my concealer with that. Since this is turning into a double cut crease, I'm going to take this yellow out of my Take Me to Brazil palette and filling in between the green and the pink and orange. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed creating this look. And if you did, feel free to like and subscribe, and feel free to check out my other videos. Bye!